Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the app installs and runs smoothly. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and iOS is updated. This prevents compatibility errors. Search the App Store for Delta Executor, check the developer name to avoid clones, then tap Get or Buy. When prompted, enable Face ID or Touch ID and notifications. This secures authentication and lets the app send status updates. Once done, open the app immediately to continue configuration and avoid background. You now step into the app's core setup to make it behave the way you need. Sign in with your Delta account or create one. This links your tasks and permissions. Make deliberate choices when the app requests location, microphone, or file access. Grant only what's necessary to reduce exposure. Configure execution profiles, set sensible timeouts, and choose notification channels so results are visible. Once your profile is saved, run a short demo task to validate settings and observe logs for immediate tweaks. You finish by running a full test and verifying output so you know everything works. Launch a representative job, monitor live logs or status indicators, and confirm outputs match expectations. Save the configuration as a preset and export a backup if the app supports it. This speeds recovery. If something goes wrong, check 3 things immediately: app permissions, network connectivity, and whether the app or iOS needs an update. If problems persist, restart the device and rerun the test to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.